इंग्रजी बोलता येण्यासाठी इंग्रजी माध्यमाच्या शाळेत प्रवेश घ्यावा लागतो, ही खेड्यातील पालकांची धारणा बदलण्यासाठी व त्यांच्या आर्थिक परिस्थितीला न झेपणारं इंग्रजी माध्यमाचं महागडं शिक्षण आपल्या गावच्या मराठी माध्यमाच्या शाळेत पण देता येतं, हा विश्वास ग्रामीण भागात रुजावा म्हणून आम्ही आमच्या केकतपांगरी शाळेत स्पोकन इंग्लिश प्रकल्प राबवला. त्याचं यश आपणाशी शेअर करीत असताना आनंद होतो आहे. प्रकल्पात सहभागी 100 विद्यार्थ्यांपैकी 88 विद्यार्थी एका महिन्यात आत्मविश्वासाने इंग्रजी बोलू लागले आहेत. जगाचे नागरिक होण्यासाठी त्यांचा प्रवास आता सुरू झाला आहे.
Hello friend, I am Anprayanath Lagat. This is my food, this is my name, this is my waist, this is my chest, this is my stomach, this is my shoulder, this is my head, this is my forehead, this is my eye, this is my eyebrow, this is my eyelid, this is my nose, this is my cheek, this is my lip, this is my teeth, this is my tongue, this is my chin, this is my neck, this is my hand, this is my finger, this is my forefinger, this is my middle finger, this is my ring finger, this is my little finger, this is my thumb.
Hello friends, I am Samruddhi Devidas Nagar. This is a brinjal. It is a vegetable. It is a violet in color. This is a nice in taste. It is a good for health. Thank you.
Hi friends, I am Antara Siddeshwar Nagar. Hi friends, I am Shivam Siddeshwar Nagar. What is this? This is a pen. What is this? This is a pencil. What is this? This is a compass. What is this? This is a notebook. What is this? This is a book. Thank you. Thank you. Hello friends.
Hi.
What is your name?
My name is Savita Satyanarayana Shelkar.
What is your father?
My father is a farmer.
What is your mother?
My mother is a housewife.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is to play cricket.
What is your favorite dish?
My favorite dish is pani puri. Thank you.
Hi friend, this is a cow. It is an animal. It is a brown and white color. It has one tail. It has 4 legs. Its voice is humbe, humbe. Thank you.
It is a root, it is a stem, it is a branch, it is a leaf, it is green in color. This is a flower, it is white in color. It is good for smell. Thank you.
Hi, I am Sandhya Ravidas Magar. This is a grapes. It is a fruit. It is a green in color. It is a sweet in taste. It is a good for health. Thank you.
About my village, I am Samruddhi Rajkiran Lagar. My native place is Kekatpangri. My postal address is at Post Kekatpangri, Taluka Geurai, District Bid. It is 10 km away from Geurai. It is located on Geurai Jategaon Road. Farming is main occupation of my village. Thank you.
Hi, I am Bhagyasri Lakshman Rao. This is plant. It is root, it is stem, it is branches, it is leaf, it is green in color. This is rose, it is flower, it is red in color. Thank you.
Hi friends, I am Arusha Shukisle. This is a lady finger. It is a vegetarian. It is a green in color. It is nice in taste. It is good for health.
Hello friends, I am Samruddhi Devidas Magar. This is a tomato. It is a vegetable. It is a red in color. It is a nice in taste. It is good for health. Thank you.
Hi friend, I am about my family. I am Avishkar Bandurak. My father's name is Bandurak. My mother's name is Shakuntala Rak. I have one sister. Her name is Anushka Rak. I have no brother. My father is a farmer and my mother is a housewife. Thank you.
Hi friends, I am Rudranand Nore. This is a crow. It is a bird. It is a black in color. It has 2 legs. It has 1 beak. Its voice is cow. Thank you. About my family, I am Rumi Bappa Sahib Lagar. My father's name is Bappa Sahib Lagar. My mother's name is Sheetal Lagar. I have brother. His name is Dheeraj and Mayank. I have one sister. Her name is Supriya. Thank you.
Hello. Hi. What is your full name?
My full name is Ananesh Kushal.
What is your father name?
My father name is Ishwar.
What is your mother name?
My mother name is Saika.
What is your brother name?
My brother name is Pratap and Nitya.
What is your sister name?
I am Anushika.
What is your father?
My father is a farmer.
What is your mother?
My mother is housewife and farmer.
What is your favorite dish?
My favorite dish is papaya.
What is your favorite song?
No.
What is your ambition?
My ambition is to become a collector.